What's for dinner, everybody? Silver Stacker Cooks here. Barbecued burnt spare rib ends, everybody. We've taken some spare ribs, we've cut them up into cubes. We're going to take these bad boys, we're going to season these up. We've got our seasoning all mixed up. Pepper, cumin, head country seasoning, onion powder, and a little bit of mixing. So mix it up very, very well, and then we're going to throw these on our meat. I just use a ladle, get a nice big old, about what is that, a quarter, half, and then I just start putting it all on here, everybody. Just douse it. Just douse it really, really good. Get it all over these, and then we'll flip these, mix it some more, everybody. You really can't get enough of these. Once these things are done, these are going to smoke in the smoker for about, I'm going to say probably 4 or 5 hours. And, you know, we don't edit these videos, everybody. All our stuff's natural, just like our Silver Stacker Cracker on YouTube. We don't edit. We show you how we do it. And this is the first step. We'll mix these things up. We'll throw these in the refrigerator overnight for all this to soak into that beautiful rib meat, everybody. And then we're going to go out. We're going to fire up the smoker, throw these bad boys on, and we're going to finish our product. Time for the fridge, everybody. Everything's mixed in really good. Mix this really good, and then throw you another big old douse of this incredible seasoning that we've made up, everyone. And now we're going to throw these in the freezer, or not the freezer, but the fridge. And then we're going to let them soak overnight, everybody. Pick them up, fire up the smoker, get these bad boys on the smoker tomorrow. See you then. Well, everybody, the fire's smoking. We call it puff and smoke. And we've got our special spare ribs going in the smoker, guys. If you watched all the way through this video, at the start, you would see that we cut these ribs up in chunks, guys. We're going to make these kind of like burnt ends. And we're going to smoke these for about, I'm going to say probably about 3 hours, everybody. Then we're going to pull them off, stir them, put them back in the smoker, everybody. We're going to cook them for about 2 more hours, maybe a little bit longer. Then we pull them off. We let them cool a little bit, and we got another special little step that we can do on them. But let's get these things, and let's get these put in the smoker. Okay, we're going to put these bad boys in, guys. As you saw, they sat overnight, and you don't really need a binder with brown sugar. We add a little bit of butter. We add all our seasonings in there, put them in the fridge overnight, guys, and then slam them in this smoker for about 3 hours to start. We'll put that one in, and we'll put this one in, guys. So we'll see you in about 3 hours, guys, when we check on these bad boys. These are gonna be delicious. This is what I call meat candy. You can do pork belly. We're gonna do a pork belly coming up next. And these things are going to be amazing. The smoker is cranking really hard. So stay with us, guys. All right, guys. These have been on about 3 hours. So let's just go ahead and give them a good stir and coat all of that delicious juices onto the ribs. And they'll never dry out, everybody. They'll just continue to cook. And we're going to pull them off here in just a little bit. And we're going to put them on another pan and let them cook some more. Now we pulled these off, everybody. They've been on for quite a while now, several hours, and they're ready to be transferred onto our full pan. We're going to put them back in the smoker for about another hour to 2 hours. Now I've got them transferred. As everybody notices, I've left a bunch of fat on a lot of these pieces right there. You want to let that render down, but guys, it'll make that even more delicious and crust up. It'll be beautiful. Shout out to all my friends. Shout out to all my buddies at Metro Ford that watch our food videos, that watch our Silver Stacker Cracker videos, everybody. And shout out to my good friend Austin down in Shawnee, Oklahoma, everybody and his family. Let's get these things put back on the smoker. So we're gonna put these back on the cooker, everybody, on our smoker, and we're gonna let them cook down for quite a while. But before we do, we're gonna add just a little bit of that juice and just kind of in here, and then we'll just kind of spread it around on these right here, but not a whole lot. But you're going to get a lot of great smoke flavor. We'll pull these things off when they're done, let them set up, and they will be delicious. Everybody, let them cool. These are probably best when they're nice and cool. It's like meat candy. So we will see you when we get these things pulled off, and then it's time to eat, right? So everybody, we pulled our rib meat off the smoker. We let it cool, and then we put it back into an oven at 200 degrees for about another 30, 45 minutes to caramelize these beautiful rib chunks, everybody. Burnt in ribs. Let's just call them burnt in rib ends, right? There's no bone in them, everybody. They're delicious. If you want them a little bit darker, cook them a little bit longer, everybody. Caramelize that delicious seasoning on there. Add your own barbecue sauce if you want, but you don't need it on these guys. So what's the next step? Well, you know what time it is, everyone. It's time to taste the product. And look at that. That is an amazing piece of meat, everybody. Let's give it a shot. Is it going to suck or is it going to be awesome? Mm, 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 mm. I'm out.